Hey Henna Guys Fam, today we're going to be talking about our Fenugreek powder and how great it is for your hair. You can typically find fenugreek in two forms, either fenugreek seeds or fenugreek powder. This is what the seeds look like, and here is the seeds ground up into a powder. There is another method for the seeds, but for the purpose of this video we will only be talking about the powder. Mixing the Fenugreek hair mask is similar to henna. You will begin by measuring out how much you need and then pouring it into the bowl. Measurements will be found in the description box. For this video, we will be using the entire packet. Once you have your powder in the bowl, begin adding in your liquid. Distilled water works best. As soon as you add in the water, begin stirring immediately. Otherwise, the fenugreek will get very clumpy and be hard to stir. So stir, add liquid, and stir some more. It will take several minutes of mixing the fenugreek powder to the right consistency. While we're stirring, let's talk about how great fenugreek is for your hair. Fenugreek contains vitamins A, B1, C, and K. It is rich in folic acid and also contains potassium, calcium, iron, and protein. With regular use of fenugreek powder as a hair mask, it can help with a number of things. Fenugreek is great for helping to fight off dandruff, helps promote hair growth, helps in reducing hair fall, makes hair silky and shiny, and can help to treat dry scalp. After several minutes of stirring, the fenugreek hair mask should look something like this. Once it's a smooth texture, you can leave the hair mask as is, or you can add in other ingredients to help your hair. You can add in yogurt or coconut oil. We don't recommend adding in more than 2 extra ingredients into the hair mask, though. So once you add in the extra ingredients and stir them into the fenugreek hair mask, you will want to let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that time frame has passed, you can prepare for the application. Separate your hair into sections and then apply to the roots of your hair, working down to the ends. Ensure that all of your strands are covered with the fenugreek hair mask. Leave on your hair for at least 30 minutes. Rinse with warm water and a mild shampoo. We recommend using our paraben and sulfate-free shampoo. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on social media.